So hello guys, welcome again to our new video. So today's video is CSS forms. So the earlier video on forms was on HTML forms. Today is CSS forms. So let's see what is CSS form. Okay, so as you can see, this is the first program for today. So let's run this program and check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this program. So as you can see, this program is not that much big. It's small program. Now let's see what the program wants to say. So as you can see, so I'm gonna paste it over here in my Node Plus. Pasting is done. Saving in my desktop HTML file by name of 1.html, as it is my first program. So let's open the file. So as you can see, the file has been opened. Now the program is gonna opening. So as you can see, this is CSS forms. Okay, so let's see what is CSS forms. So as you can see, this is the program. So how did we this? Input with icon search. Good. As you can see, the search is over here. Searching is there. Okay, whatever. Input with icons. So let's see how did we made this. So we have used, as you can see, HTML tag, head tag, and under, as we are doing CSS, so we have used style tag, and under style tag we have used input tag equals to text, right, with equal to 100%, box sizing, border equals to 2 pixels solid, as you can see, 2 pixels solid, then border radius 4 pixels, okay, font size 16 pixels, background color is white. Okay, now the background image, URL, search icon, PNG. Okay, this is the search icon. Background position is 100 pixels. Then repeat. Acha. Then background. Then after background we have done padding, and in padding 12 pixels, 20 pixels, 12 pixels, 40 pixels. Then what we have done? Then we have closed the bracket and we have closed the style tag. The work of style tag has been finished. Now we are going to the body tag. Body tag. As you can see, the body tag is over here. So under body tag we have written a para, as you can see. Paragraph tag is used. Input with icon. So as you can see, this para. No heading is done. No heading is given actually. So next we have done what? We have used the main thing, that is the form tag we have used, and under form tag, this is the main program actually, and this was all about editing. This is the main program actually, and we have written input tab equal to text name equal to search. As you can see, search is over here, placeholder equal to search, and form tag closed, and the program finishes by closing body tag and HTML tag. So guys, this was the first program. Now let's begin to the second program. Okay, and now the second program is about animated search input. Now let's see what is animated search input. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this program. So I've copied the program, as you can see, pasting, saving by 2.html, saving completed. Now let's open the file. So as you can see, what is this animated search input? So let's see. So as you can see, it's same, but the difference is this one. The difference is only this. You can see the change between the first and the second. Okay, if we click over here, then it is become shorting, and if I click over here, it has become long, right? So how we made this? We have done something animated, right? Let's see. We have used HTML tag, head tag, then style tag. And the style tag, we have named the same thing as the before program. As you can see, everything is similar with that, right? Then the main thing, this is the main thing we are done, that input type equals to text equal to focus width equal to 100%. Okay, then we have close style tag done. Then we have written small para animated search engine. As you can see, this para has been shown, that is under body tag, and this is the main thing, and it is same as the before program, but the difference is only over here. We click over here, it becomes longer, right? So the difference is this one. If you add this extra thing, it's the width is getting to 100%. Okay, so this is the only difference. So if you erase this, then this thing will not work. Let me show you guys by having a practical view as we have finished explaining this video. So if I cut this one, deleted, now save it. See, it's not going. See, it's not extending. So this is the difference. So this line is the extra added to make this line strength, and the width will be reached to its 100%. Okay, so this is how to create animated search inputs. This is the only tag. Okay guys, so I hope you understood the video. Okay, so for doing this change, just you have to have a look on this tag. Okay, so you have to use this tag. So guys, only this much for today. We have done two programs today. So one program is about CSS forms, and other program is about CSS animated search input. So for today, this much only. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Okay, bye bye.